On March 3, 2018, the track and field world lost one of its greatest runners when Roger Bannister died, the first person to run a mile in under 4 minutes. Prior to Bannister's run in 1954, many people doubted that any man could break the 4-minute barrier. Obviously, those doubters were wrong. Bannister was involved in another historic race, this time in the finals of the 1,500-meter run at the 1952 Olympics, in which he finished fourth, the incredible part being that all 8 runners in that race broke the Olympic record for the 1,500. Some other incredible athletic performances include swimmer and later movie Tarzan Johnny Weissmuller never losing a race in 10 years of competition, something even Mark Spitz and Michael Phelps cannot claim. Baron the Dachshund ran 50 yards in 4.22 seconds and was never defeated in a wiener dog race. The human 50-yard record is 5.22 seconds.